Hello dear students, today we have to revise the book page number 11, that is Math Gym. In this, first is fill in, that is subtraction sign as well as addition sign. Two signs are given, addition or subtraction. So here some examples are given to us to fill in the blanks. First is 6 and 5, that is 6 and 5 is equal to 11. 6 and 5 both are smaller than 11. So here we put the addition sign. If we add 6 and 5, then it makes 11. Look, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So here we put the addition sign. Next is 11 and 5 is equal to 6. 6 is smaller than 11 and greater than 5. So like this way, here we see if we add 11 and 5, then it makes 16. So addition sign is not put here. So second option is subtraction. So we subtract 11 from 5. Okay. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Here we put subtraction sign because how we look? We look that 6 is smaller than 11. So here comes subtraction sign. 11 is greater than 6 and 5. So here we put the addition sign. Next is 11 and 6. 11 and 6 is equal to 5. That is 11 is also greater than 5. So we put subtraction sign here to make 5. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. In B part, 12 and 2 is equal to 10. So 12 is greater than 10. If we add, then the number makes more than 12. So we subtract 12 and 2. We subtract 2 from 12, that makes 10. If we add, then the number makes more than 12. 10 is smaller than 12. So here we put subtraction sign. Next is 12, 10 is equal to 2. So 2 is smaller than 10 as well as 12. So if we add, then the number is greater than 10 and 12. So here we put the subtraction sign. If we subtract 10 from 12, then it makes 2. 10, 2 is equal to 12. 12 number is greater than 10 as well as greater than 2. So we add these two terms, then it makes 12. So here we put the addition sign. Next is 9, 5 is equal to 4. Same as it is. 4 is smaller than 9 as well as 5. So if we add, the number comes greater than 9. So here we put the subtraction sign. If we subtract 5 from 9, then it makes 4. Same as it is 9, 4 and 5. So here also 5 is smaller than 9. So here we put the subtraction sign. Here 5, 4 is equal to 9 means 5 and 4 both are smaller than 9. First we add 5 and 4. If it makes 9, then here we put the addition sign. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here addition sign. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Next is 8, 7 and 15. 15 is greater than 8 as well as 7. So we add 8 and 7, that makes 15. The sum of 8 and 7 is 15. Next is 15 and 8 is equal to 7. 15 is greater than 7. If we add, the number is greater than 15 also. If 7 is less than 15, we know 7 is less than 15. We subtract 8 from 15, that makes 7. We subtract 8 from 15, so that here we put the subtraction sign. Next is 15, 7, 8. 8 is smaller than 15. So here also put the subtraction sign. 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. Adding two numbers gives their sum. If we add the two numbers, the third number is its sum. Look how the three numbers are related. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 6 and 2 are two numbers. If we add these two numbers, then the sum will be 8. So 8 is the sum of 6 and 2. These are two numbers and 8 is the sum. Next is 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Same as it is given more examples. Next here some fill-ups are given. 5 plus 2 is equal to dash. 5, 6 and 7. Here we put 7. 7 minus 2. Here is 7. Minus 2 is 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 are left. 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Minus 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We subtract these 5. 1 and 2. Only 2 are left. 2 plus dash is equal to 7. So, for this, 2 plus dash is equal to 7. For this, you have to subtract 2 from the 7. 7 minus 2. That is the answer. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Minus 2 means 1 and 2. You have to subtract 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 are left. So, here is 5. Means 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Next is 3 plus 4. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 3 plus 4 are the two numbers and the sum of these two numbers is 7. Next is 7 minus 3 is equal to dash. 7. Here is 7. Minus 3 means 1, 2, 3. We have to subtract 3 from 7. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 is left. 4 is the answer. Next is dash minus 4 is equal to 3. So you have to add these two numbers to find the third number. In subtraction, you have to add two numbers, then you find the third number. Like this way, dash minus 4 is equal to 3. So we add 3 plus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 3, 1, 2, 3. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7. So 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So here is 7. Next is dash minus 3 is equal to 4. Same as it is. We add 4 and 3. That is equal to 7. So here also 7. Next is 6 plus 3. 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8 and 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. Dash plus 6 is equal to 9. So we find the number that comes here. Dash plus 6 is equal to 9. Means the number that the sum is 9. So we find the one number from the two numbers. So we subtract 9 and 6. We subtract 6 from 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We subtract 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3. 3 is left. So here 3. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Next is dash minus 3 is equal to 6. So here we also add these two numbers to find the third number. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 we also put 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Here we put 9. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus dash is equal to 9. We find the third number. So for this, we have to subtract 9 from the 6. If we subtract 9 from 6, then the number comes is 3. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Same as it is 7 plus 2. 7, 8 and 9. Here is 9. 2 plus dash is equal to 9. 2 plus dash is equal to 9 means 2 plus 7. Here is 7. So now 9 minus 2 is equal to dash. Simply you have to subtract 9 from 2. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 minus 2, 1 and 2. 2 we have to subtract. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 is left. Here we put 7. Next is 9 minus dash is equal to 2. So we subtract first 9 from 2, then the third number comes. If we 9 minus 2 is equal to 7, so 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Next is 8 plus 4 is equal to dash. 8 plus 4, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 8 plus 4 is 12. Next is 12 minus 4. Here is 12. Minus 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is left. Next is 8, 4 and 8. So we find the third number. Same as it is. Minus 4, 8 as it is. So here also comes 12. 12 minus dash is equal to 8. Same as it is. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. 9 plus 5 is equal to dash. 1, 2, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 minus dash is 9. First we have to subtract 14 from 9. 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. If we subtract 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 are left. So here 14 minus 5 is 9. Same as it is 14 minus 9 is 5. So here also come 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. Next is 5 plus dash is equal to 14. Look here, 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. So 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. So with this page number 11 is over. Thank you.